favorite people on planet Earth with me today. Her name is Psalm Allison. This is my older sister, and we have been working so hard on a big passion project that we care so deeply about, and today we are announcing it to you. Introducing the very first Asian Keto Cookbook! When we first went keto, we could not find anything that would satisfy our Asian taste buds. And my sister and I are straight from the motherland, we're Laotian from Laos, and we couldn't find anything that had that authentic flavor. So we decided on this amazing cookbook. Now there are so many recipe books out there, there are tons and tons of recipes, they're all out there that are dairy based, and you're gonna find a whole lot of that. But if you know Asian cooking, you know we don't use a whole lot of dairy, and that's one of the fantastic things about this book. And not only that, it tastes phenomenal. We didn't put home. Yes, like home. We did not put anything in this book that we weren't 100% absolutely sure that we could serve to a dinner party.
All these recipes are all homegrown, along with restaurant favorites.
This cookbook is for those that love Asian food. If you're Asian yourself or you enjoy Asian cuisine and you just think you can't have it while going keto or low carb, or you're afraid to go keto or low carb because you love Asian food, you don't want to give up your rice or your noodles. Now this will meet all your ketogenic needs without sacrificing the taste. In addition to the 40+ delicious, mouth-watering, authentic recipes, we took it upon ourselves and we counted calories and macros for you.
The link to buy it is down below. It's offered in paperback and Kindle version.
Actually, just stop watching this video and just go buy it, actually. We would be honored if you left us a review, take a picture of your beautiful creations, and share it with your friends and family. If you know anybody that loves Asian food, that's missing out on it, doesn't want to go keto because they don't want to miss out on their comfort food, please share it with them. All right, guys, this was a true labor of love. We put so much of our hearts, our soul, hard work into this, and we can't wait to share with you what went into making this cookbook.
And warning, you will be hungry.
Definitely. Making of the cookbook, we have our tripod here. So we have this LED light, which we have a diffuser here Ryan is holding.
Yep, something along the lines of this.
Right, that's the dish. We did eat a few, or I should say Ryan did.
Yeah, I ate like 6 of them.
This is Daisy. She's such a big help right now. I mean, come on. Man, these are so money. They're so good. Ronan, are you excited about this cookbook? Are you excited, buddy? Are you excited? Yeah. Look at them looking at this. This is the om kai. It's a chicken soup. It's got chicken thighs, white onions, ginger, lemongrass, Thai chilies, zucchini, dill. This is called the salmon mok. So it's marinated in spices, dill, lemongrass, Thai chilies, some fish sauce. How delicious does that look? And then what we do is we take it in, put it in a foil, and we steam it. Got my little assistant. Say hi. Hi. Thank you, Brooklyn. That's my niece. This is the lemon herb gel. So it is lemongrass, Thai chilies, garlic, fish sauce, lime, and cilantro. Boom! Oh yeah, come to mama. How beautiful does this look? How's that marinade?
This is one delicious steak.
This is the Chinese broccoli. This is a saute. Look how gorgeous these are. Getting it all pretty, guys. Gotta look at the details, making sure the juices look good. I see a little pepper flake up there. Yep, she's got it. I didn't want anything in this book that did not taste good, and that was something that you could get just about anywhere. All these recipes are what we would serve at a dinner party. All of these recipes are what we grew up with. All of these recipes, they mean something to us in some sort of way. So we were really cooking from our heart, and we put a lot of effort into it, a lot of hours and thoughts. I may cry once this is all done.
All right, let's talk about the co-author here. She refuses to be on camera, but I'm gonna force her to be on camera anyway because she's kind of the mastermind behind all these recipes. She's a phenomenal cook. Her name is Sami Allison.
Wow. No makeup whatsoever, and I've never been on camera before.
Yep, well now you're gonna be on YouTube, so
Wow.
it's gonna be great.
This is it. This is the last entree recipe that we're shooting. This is the coconut tempura shrimp with spicy mayo. Woo!
How many hours do you think you've spent working on this cookbook?
I don't even know. We put in a few months work and 12-hour days, so however you want to calculate that. We still have more work to do. That's the thing. We have to count calories, macros.
Just all the editing.
Correct. Photo editing, and it's just,
We're done.
we're done today with cooking. So we're happy about that. We're gonna celebrate. Cheers! Let's keep it real. We have been eating nonstop, and it's been boot camp. It's been eating boot camp though. We are ready to celebrate a little bit, so.
So we're gonna go celebrate with a meal, right? Bye. Yep.
Okay. Dogs are excited.
Whoa, wow! It's me!
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
It looks so good.
It looks really good.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's making me hungry again. We just ate it.
It looks really good.
The cucumber salad?
Yeah, look at that. All the colors. Wow. And then this. I want that.
Yeah.
I want to eat that right now.
Oh my gosh. It looks so good.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it.
There is nothing that makes us more happy than seeing your recipe remakes. So please take pictures of your beautiful creations and leave us an Amazon review. It would mean so, so much to us. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell. You want to be notified on future Tippy Tales. And as always guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We will see you in the next one.